So I went ahead and did number 2 because I thought the video was on, but it wasn't. So in this one, the circuit has a battery, and it didn't say how many cells are in the battery, so we'll just go with 2. Okay, so 2 cells is a battery. You could have more than that. A closed switch. Okay, so that means the system is going to be on. And you have a resistor. Okay, that's this symbol here that you got off your sheet if you weren't sure. And you're connecting them in series. Okay, so it's just in series, okay, where there's only one path for the electrons to flow. Okay, so on number 2, we've got them all. Let's take a look at number 3. Draw a circuit that has a cell, okay, and a closed switch on the main path. Okay, so as soon as I see main path, I'm thinking, okay, this is going to be a parallel circuit. Also because we did 2 series circuits already. A light bulb on the first branch. Okay, and a resistor on the second branch in parallel. Okay, so whenever I see parallel, I think, okay, I'm going to draw one of those ladder things. And it's telling me I have 2 branches. So I'm going to draw 2 rungs on a ladder. So this will look something like this. So here's a cell. See, very handy, these quick reference sheets. Okay, that should be a straight line. And so what does it say? It said there's a closed switch on the main path. Okay, so here's the main path that's going to both branches. Okay, so if you open that switch, it's going to turn off both items. Okay, so the first branch, let's make that this one. Okay, and on the second branch, let's put the resistor. There, done. Okay, so if we're wondering if they're on or off, they're both on because the electrons can flow from the cell through this way and through this way. Okay, if we put a switch here though and opened it, this would be on and that would be off. Number 4. Draw a circuit that has a battery, an open switch, and 2 light bulbs in series. Looks like a little piggy nose. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so let's go through this one nice and fast. We'll leave a little space for our open light switch. Okay, and maybe a little one for the battery. And you want these connected because your batteries have to touch the cell for the electricity to go through, right? Okay, and where do you feel like putting the other lamp? On this side? Sure. Okay. Next one, number 5. Draw a circuit that has a cell and an open switch. It's probably going to be a parallel question because we just had a series one. Yep, main path. Light bulb on the first branch, light bulb. Okay. So those things on the main path. And then first branch we have a light bulb. And a light bulb with an ammeter on the second branch. Okay, so I need to sometimes do this with my questions so I can break things into pieces. So I know I need an ammeter and a light bulb on my second path. Okay, so let's do that. And last time we made it up and down, so let's just put it in sideways for variety's sake. Okay, but it really doesn't matter. Okay, so let's call this rung 1, or what do they call it? Branch. And let's call that one the second one. Okay, we'll put our cell here. Having a space would be good. First branch. Light bulb, second branch has an ammeter and a light bulb. Now I can go anywhere here and here. I'm just going to put them side by side. Like so. So let's check. Draw a circuit that has a cell and an open switch on the main path, okay? Forgot our open switch. So if you were using a pencil and you could erase this right here, that would be good. Okay, so there's your circuit in parallel. And number 6. Okay, you've got some words that we're turning into circuit diagrams. Okay, schematics is what that word is there. Okay, so use a ruler. Draw a circuit diagram containing a battery with 2 cells in series. Okay, one pathway with an open switch and a lamp.